I'm Hari Priya. I'm from Karur, Tamil Nadu. I chose digital marketing because it's gotten my interest, and I got to know digital marketing in my college time. I got an internship on that, and I'm interested in the topic. I want to learn more. So I've searched in Google, which is the best institute to learn more about that, and I got to know. That's how I got to know Digital Vidya. Once I go through their feedbacks, reviews, and their curriculums, I was really interested in that, and I've successfully completed the CDMM course, which is very good, and the trainers are very supportive. They taught me, and they are all available when I needed support. And the breakout rooms, the assignments are very clear, and it was very useful because I'm currently working as digital marketing specialist. I can able to apply that techniques what I've learned in the Digital Vidya. It was really a wonderful journey for me. So that's it. That's how I got to Digital Vidya, and now I have completed my final assessment, and I'm waiting for my final results.